Welcome children, myself Sanjay Kumar Gupta, Science and Maths teacher in St. Michael's Academy, Bethia. Students, I am going to tell you about mathematics of standard 6, chapter 3, playing with numbers. Students, in previous video, you have seen about factors and multiples, prime number and composite number. Now here I will tell you about rules for divisibility. From using this rule, you can divide a number without doing division process. And just you have to search the number and doing some of the activities you can get or you can check that the given number is divided by a particular number or not. So let's do it. First of all, we know about divisibility of 2. Students, in this rule we check the unit digit of a number. This rule says that if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the given number must be divided by 2. Okay? So children, you have to check last digit. Suppose I am writing here 4, 1, 3, 2. तो children, आप देख रहे हो कि लास्ट में क्या आया है 2. So this 2 shows that the number 4132 must be divided by 2. Again, we search as 2, 3, 5, 1. So here last digit is 1. So it shows that the number 2351 cannot be divided by 2. Same number 8390. So here last digit is 0, so it must be divided by 2. Now we will learn about divisibility by 3. To know that the given number is divided by 3 or not, just we have to find the sum of the digits. As here given, if the sum of the numbers, sum of digits given number is divided by 3, the number must be divided by 3. As example, I am taking a number as 81. Students, in 81, two digits are there as 8 and 1. So we add these digits 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. You can see that the sum of 8 and 1 is 9, that is divisible by 3. So the number 81 must be divided by 9. So 3. Now we see the next number 273. So we add this one as 2 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 12. The 12 is divisible by 3, so the number 273 must be divided by 3. Student, like this one, you can do with another numbers also. Suppose a number I have a number as 2,37,650. What you have to do? Just add them. 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 1 plus 5. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 12 and 7, 12 and 7, 90 and 5, 24. So 24 is divided by 3. So the number 2,37,650 must be divided by 2. Now suppose that the outcome what you have got, you don't know if it is divisible by 3 or not. मान लो कि तुमको ये पता नहीं है कि 24 कटेगा कि नहीं कटेगा, तो क्या करना है कि अगेन यू हैव टू रिपीट दिस प्रोसेस एज 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. नाउ इट्स इजी टू नो. अब ये तुम्हारे लिए क्या हो गया, आसान हो गया. 86 तो जानते हैं 3 से कटेगा. अब ये नंबर की पूरी की पूरी तरह डिवाइड हो सकती है. Students, if you take the sum in two digits which are unknown for you that it is divisible by 3 or not, then repeat this process till the one digit comes. Now we will see about divisibility of 4. Divisibility by 4. A number is divided by 4 if its last two digits are multiple of 4. Means आपको क्या चेक करना है? Just you have to check that if unit and tens places number both together divisible by 4 or not. I suppose I have a number 1236. Then you have to choose these numbers. So this is 36. Now check if 36 is divided by 4 or not. You know that 36 comes in the table of 4, so it must be divided by 4. Yani the whole number is divisible by 4. Now we take another number as 12,508. Again we search these two numbers. अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, लास्ट digit 0 and 8 means it shows that this is divisible by 4, so your number 12,508 must be divided by 4. Again next number 3,12,424. Same process. We have to check this one 24. 24 4 के टेबल में आता है, so the number 3,12,424 24 must be divided by 4. Now, divisibility by 5. Very easy to know. We have to check only the last digit of the given number, and last digit should be 0 or 5. Suppose a number 9305. Last digit is 5, so whole number must be divided by 5. Again 81,210. Last digit is 0, so it must be divided by 5. तो आपको क्या चेक करना है इसमें? सिर्फ लास्ट डिजिट वो 0 होना चाहिए या फिर 5 होना चाहिए. Now we will see the divisibility of 6. Divisibility by 6. A number must be divided by 6 if it is divided by both 2 and 3. यानी जो संख्या 2 और 3 दोनों से कट जाए वही संख्या 6 से डिवाइड हो सकती है. Because 6 is multiple of 2 and 3. As 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So here one thing you have to remember, that the number that is divisible by 6 must be even number. Okay, so it lasts with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now save as I have a number 25,940. Now first of all we check what the last digit is there. The last digit is 4. It shows that it is divisible by 2. Now we check if it is divisible by 3 or not. Then what we have to do? Just add them as 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 2, 5, 7, 9, 16. 16 and 5, 21. The 21 also divided by 3. Therefore, it must be divided by 6. Last digit is 4. That shows it is divided by 2, and sum of these numbers shows that it must be divided by 3. Therefore, the given number must be divided by 6. Okay, children. Now we will learn about divisibility of 7. Students, now we should know the divisibility by 7. Now, take care here. To divide from 7, first we have to find the difference of twice the last number and the remaining digits. If the difference of twice the last digit and remainder numbers is multiple of 7, then it must be divided by 7. As I am taking a number 25,025. मान लो ये नंबर है, आपको पता करना है ये 7 से कटेगा. So first we take the last digit as high. Now we do double of this number and rest numbers are 2502 minus 5 into 2. It will be 25,002 minus 10. It will be 24,090. Okay. Again, it is difficult to know if it is divided by 7 or not. Once again, we proceed it as this one. Now we leave it and subtract 2 into 2. As last this is 2, we do the double. It will be 245. Now you have to check if it is divided by 7 or not. अब मान लो कि यहाँ भी तुम्हें पता नहीं चलता, then what you will do? Once again we go forward as 245 into 245 last digit is 5. So I am removing it. Just remember 2 digit is 24. 24 minus 5 into 2. So 24 minus 10 is equal to 14. Now the last outcome is 14 and 14 must be divided by 7. So it shows that the number 25,025 must be divided by 7. Okay. Now using this rule we can know about every number. So children, we will go for divisibility by 8. It's very easy to know that a number must be divided by 8 if last 3 digits are multiple of 8. इसके अंतिम 3 digit means unit, tens and hundreds places number together should be divided by 8. So students, here as I told you, if the last 3 digits are divided by 8, then the number must be divided by 8. So I am taking a number 10,216. So we choose last 3 digits. Last 3 digits 216. You can divide by 8 as 8 to 16. Remainder 5 56. X 56 means it shows that the number 10,216 must be divided by 8. Now another number I am taking 3,32,512. So here we check the last digit 512. So we divide by 8. 8 6 are 48, remainder 3 32 and 8 are 32 means 64. So it shows that 512 is divided by 8 in 64 times. So the number 3,72,512 also be divided by 8. Now divided by 9. So students, a number is divided by 9 if the sum of its digits is multiple of 9. As you have seen in the rule of 3. आपने क्या देखा कि उन दिए गए संख्या के अंकों का योग करते हैं, ठीक इसी तरह से इसमें भी जो भी अंक दिए रहेंगे उनका योग करते हैं और देखते हैं कि 9 से डिवाइड हो रहा है कि नहीं. I give 4,527. Now add 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7. What will you get? You get 18. 18 is divided by 9. So the number 4,527 must be divided by 9. Again, another number 3,32,512. 25,000. So again you add this and see what outcome is coming. 2 plus 3, 5 and 5, 10 plus 8 is equal to, means the sum is 18, that shows kingdom of must be divided by 9. 18 और 9 से करता है, इसलिए पूरी नंबर में 9 से डिवाइड. And divisibility by 10. So if you know that if last digit 0, it must be divided by 10. Now we will learn about the divisibility of 11. Now divisibility by 11. If the difference of the sum of odd places number and even places number is multiple of 11 और 0, यानी हम क्या करते हैं कि अल्टरनेट जो संख्या दिए रहते हैं उन संख्याओं को पहले ऐड करते हैं और फिर उनके एडिशन आने के बाद हम दोनों को माइनस करते हैं और देखते हैं कि वो डिफरेंस 11 से घट रहा है या नहीं, या 0 आता है या नहीं. सपोज आई हैव अ नंबर 2552. So odd places number, they start from 1 from the left side. So 1 and 5. We make one group as 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Now we make another group 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now subtract 7 minus 7 is 0. If 0 is outcome, then it shows that the number 2552 must be divided by 11. Next number also you can take as now here also we check the first number from left side is 1, so alternate number is 8, and again the next number comes 3, so add them 1 plus 8 plus 3, the 8 1 9 and 3 12, again comes here add 3 5 8 and 4 12. Now subtract them. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Students, this shows that the outcome is 0. It must be divided by 11. Means it is not applicable for here, but applicable for whole numbers 1,38,554. Okay. Now we will learn about prime factorization, common multiple and common factors. So see what are common factor and common multiples. Factors of 1, 2 and 4. Again factors of 14, 1, 2, 7 and 14. Again factors of 20 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So such numbers and 1, 2. Now in third you can see that in 4 and 20 4 comes but it is absent in 14. तो हम उसको नहीं तो दिया सिर्फ दो नंबर में बीच वाले नंबर में नहीं है. So it not be common. Common means कि a number should be given in all the given numbers. Okay. So your common factors will be 1 and 2. So children, now we will have to learn about common multiples. So you know that multiples are unlimited. We cannot make a limit of multiples like factors. फैक्टर्स क्या होते हैं? वो निश्चित होते हैं और इसमें कॉमन निकालना इजी होता है, बट मल्टीपल्स में हम किसी भी नंबर को जब दूसरे नंबरों से मल्टीप्लाई करते जाते हैं, देन द नेक्स्ट मल्टीपल कम्स. सो वी हैव टू मेक अ लिमिटेशन टू फाइंड कॉमन मल्टीपल्स. 2 common multiple, 3 common multiple, 4 common multiple, whatever the requirement, we have to do the process as given here. Students, as I have one question to find one common multiple of 2, 5 and 6. So what I have to do? Just create the multiples of 2, 5 and 6. So write here multiples of 2 is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay. Now we will write multiples of 5 is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50 and so on. So here we give multiples of 6 is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. So here we get the list number which comes among them. In 5 and 6 we find 30 present, but in table of 2 30 not present. तो इससे छोटा कोई नंबर नहीं है. So if we go to 20, we find that 20 in 2 and 5, but not in 6. So we increase the table as 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. So children, here 30 will be the common multiple of 2, 5 and 6. Therefore 30 is the common multiple of 2, 5 and 6. Again we see some questions from book. I finally common first 3 multiples of 5 and 10. So children, what you have to do? Just so write here multiple of 5. Multiples of 5 will be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50 and so on. Again, multiples of 15 will be 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90 and 86. So first multiple is 3, that is common. Second 30 and third 45. And therefore 15, 30 and 45 are the first 3 multiples of 5 and children. Now you have to do your exercise, and in the next video we will learn about HCF